I guess it's time to learn how to do a screamer base. First thing you do, you soften it up. So we're just going to soften it up. We're going to get some Mavs out there. Get rid of the silos. We're just going to kill anything that will kill. This is the only one that we need to kill, because all the rest will take care of themselves. We get rid of him, and we can do manticores, and we're done. Going to cost you a couple missiles, but for what it costs you, it's not much. You just got to get rid of this guy and stay away from everything else. Manticores are slow as molasses because the screamer won't let them go very fast. We just got to get a couple missiles out here. Get rid of him. There's also one other thing we're going to get rid of. He's going to damage our manticores, so we'll get rid of him. One more missile. It takes one missile, 4 missiles. But it's the easiest, quickest way to do it. All right, we also going to have to use Martin, the envoy hero. I'm going to bring him over here. We're going to remove these guys. And also this base, he's going to give you a whole bunch more to give you trouble. So we're just going to get rid of him right here. Kill him. While he's killing him, we'll send in our last missile. Once you clean these guys out, you retreat them, send in your manticores, and you're done. All right. Now what I'm going to do, you don't have to do this, but I want to give myself lots of time. So I'm going to end the attack. All right. Now it's slow as molasses. So don't be in a hurry. Send in my manticores and just keep them. So when you get to this point, you can just fast forward the video. Watch out for him. He will kill your manticores. He will do a little damage. I'm just going to go out around this way. Just going to take my time. There's absolutely no hurry because with manticores and because of the screamer, the ice cream truck, these guys are super, super slow. It doesn't matter how slow they are. We're going to go over and kill the screamer and we're done. Don't worry about anything else in the base. Just come over here. And that's it. You only kill these guys because they will kill your manticore. And use one envoy and he'll get about 7 minutes damage. Not a whole lot. These guys will get a little bit of damage because of the guns. But other than that, nothing to worry about. And I'm just keeping these guys away from... nothing here will hit them. He will hit him. There's some guys in the tower that will hit him. So just keep your manticores away from anything that can damage them. Just slowly make your way around. Up here, these guns will shoot a little bit. But you'll end up with less than a minute's of damage on your manticore. And if you just copy this, the worst part about it is how slow the manticores are and how long it takes them to get in there. But other than that, this is really simple. You can try it doing it a different way. You can get a lot more damage, take a lot longer. You can kill a whole bunch of things and waste your time. So far, we've had 3 minutes of just flying and wasting, and there's nothing you can do. So if you like music, turn on music. Like I said, just fast forward it till they get over here. Then we're just going to go in like this. We're going to avoid all the stuff down here. He'll hurt you. These guys will hurt you. But we're going to come in at an angle. These guys will do a little bit of damage, but not much. He will hurt. Even if he hits you, this guy here won't do you a whole lot of damage. But he will do you some damage. So just keep your manticores moving. because of the screamer, they don't move very fast at all. You thought they were slow before? Holy mackerel. But it's an easy way to clear this base. You do it 8 times. You got a screamer. You put a screamer in your base. And next time somebody attacks you, the air slows down. You can wipe out the raptors. You can wipe out everything else. So he's worth having. We're almost up far enough. Basically, we just have to hope that nothing else shoots us. And what do I have left for missiles? Yeah, maybe I'll use one. Because while these guys are attacking, if I send a missile in, it'll distract them a little bit. But not really needed. Just getting these guys. All right, that's far enough. Let's go kill a screamer. Let's go kill ourselves a screamer. And what we can do is when he starts reacting, I'll send a missile at him. That's it. That's it. We're almost done. Once you kill the screamer, that's it. You'll get a little bit of damage, but nothing to say. I'll show you how much damage we get. Really isn't much at all. All they're doing is killing him. These guys here, they got silos, and the drones in the silos will kill your manticores. You got to get rid of them, however you want to do it. I just use MAVs. 1 there, 4 on the hunter. There's all kinds of ways you can do it. For me, it's easier to build missiles than it is to repair. So we are just about done. That's it. You get another screamer part. You collect it. Let's go see. There's not a whole lot of damage. Let's go see how much there is. All right. Let's find out how much damage. There's not much. Start repairs. Okay. The manticores, 1 got a little bit damaged. 53 seconds. 53 seconds. Martin, almost 8 minutes. That's it. That's it. Just that simple. And you end up with another piece for your screamer. So that's it. Enjoy.